Hi everybody, this is Tina from My Beautiful Plan. Today I'm coming with you with Simply Gilded. She came in the mail today and I have been waiting for her and I am very excited to see what's in her. I actually have seen the spoilers, so I pretty much know what's in there, but I haven't, I just want to say for myself and touch it. It's a whole different ball game. So I am pulling this out. Oh, okay. So I'm pulling this out and I'm going to put the box aside. I think that's really gorgeous. And I think this is the mystery item. So if you did not want to know what the mystery item was, sorry, I forgot. I actually thought the mystery item was something else, but it's actually listed on the card. First of all, the card comes with a detail of everything that's in the box, including saying the mystery item. And, oh, isn't that adorable? Because this is kind of a travel kit, this is a travel tag. Oh, that's freaking cute. Oh, I'm impressed. I think that is really... Oh, thank you, Simply Gilded. I think that is adorable, and it's pink, and it's pretty, and I love it. Now to go somewhere. That would be a whole other thing. Okay, so we are going to start with this baby. This is the Vegan Pearl sticker pouch, and it feels nice. It has a little rose gold heart here. We're going to open it up because I'm assuming, yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. I was like, please don't break. So this is the pouch. You know how every month usually a pouch comes with it. So this is doubling as a pouch because it's unzippered here, but we're going to go through that after. But this is, so you could store your stickers, and I think that is wonderful. I'm just going to stick this in here. I know I could do the stickers after, but just so you could get a good size. Sorry, the glare from my light. So that's neat. Let's go back here. And here is the foiled journaling card with an airplane on it. I think that is so super cute. I really can't wait to actually be able to travel again. I just, I want to go and see my cousin in Florida, and, you know, I was almost tempted to put on a mask and go, but the flights were so dirt cheap round trip, it was ridiculous. But, of course, I couldn't do that. But here we go. Here are the little mini stickers, weights, and I guess cleaning and Happy Mail and all that. And then we have the dates on this one. I love this. I love this so much. My dream is to go, I was supposed to go on a missions trip with church and I did not go. This reminds me of that. I want to go to India, and I was supposed to go with, like I said, on a missions trip. But every year something comes up and I don't feel it's God telling, or it's God telling me, no, this is not your time to go. I will let you know when it's your time. But they go every year and I'm really excited, and I know one of these years it will be my year to go to India with them. So that's kind of my dream that I have, is to really set my goals and to pray on it and to ask God, when is it my time to go to India? So this really touched my heart when I saw this. Maybe it's a sign that I'm supposed to go to India this year with the church. I don't know. Even the map here says India, and I'm so super excited about that. So anyways, yeah. So then here are some foiled hearts, and I think those are awesome. And then the Monday, Monday through Sunday, whatever. And just, can you see them? I don't know if you can see them. That's like the airplane wing. I think that's, every time I get on a plane, I want to take a picture of the airplane wing. I'm not, don't know that I want to go to China right now. For that matter, I don't want to go to India right now. I mean, traveling right now is probably not my thing right now. But, so I probably won't go to India this year, but maybe this is just telling me my time is coming, because I keep praying about it. And here's some more. New York, London, Paris. I've actually been to Paris, so my sister and I are supposed to be visiting that again. Dubai is on our list. I would love to go to Sydney, but it wasn't on my list until I saw that. But yeah, so that's exciting, and I think these are so super pretty. These are so super pretty. I was just telling somebody this morning, I don't even use my kits. I don't know why I keep buying them, but then I look at them and I'm like, oh geesh, but they're so super cute. I would never be able to cancel my subscription. Just use the darn things. And these I'll probably hoard more than I do anything else, because I think they're so super cute and they mean something to me. So enough talking, Tina. Keep it moving. And then this is the Simply Gilded notebook that also comes with her kits, and I think that's great. And I love the fact that I never really knew what to do with the notebooks, and then I had actually given a few of them away, and then last month we got the traveler's notebook to carry them in, and I was like, oh, really? But anyways, so now I know this is what everybody is expecting to be seeing. Oh, actually, there's more stuff. I forgot. Oh. Okay, so let's see. We saw the notebook. We saw the deluxe sticker kit. Let's take out this, because I know people are wondering. I'm wondering. Look, travel scissors. How freaking cute. Cute. Not quite sure how to use them. Oh, and they're sharp. They are sharp, girlfriends. They are sharp. Oh, I like that a lot. There must be, oh, maybe you just stick them in here. I was going to say there must be a way to close them, but yeah, that's nice. I guess this also was coming in 3 different colors. I don't really know, and I don't remember really the colors they were coming in, but I love the white one, so I would have loved any one. It could have been any color. And this is the Micro Perm Pen. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sakura. I don't know. But I have never had one of these. This is 0.05, I believe. An ultra fine pen. And I am right now trying to find my favorite pen, ultra fine pen. Alright. Yeah, it's okay. But I will use it probably for my journaling, so I think that will work out well. It says permanent on most surfaces, so it is a permanent pen. I would say more like marker. It's not gel, and it's not ballpoint, so I would say more like a marker, but it's good and I like it. And this, I couldn't wait to see this. I love Simply Gilded pens. Like I said, I buy this kit primarily for their little whatever case and their pens. Their pens are just absolutely beautiful, and I love the way they write. This is my pen that I'm using this month from Simply Gilded. This is this month's pen. And this one has the airplane and the rose gold shimmeries and rose gold accents here where it says Simply Gilded. And I just absolutely positively love the pens. Absolutely. Like, but I can't justify myself keep getting, I might actually cancel the extra washi subscription because I don't even use the washi that much. I think it's very pretty, and I might actually use this because I love the blush color. It might match my passion planner. I just think it's really cute. Am I getting it all right? So I am not going to actually open them. Can you see the airplane? I'm not even sure what color this is. Maybe like I don't know, like a maroonish, brownish. I don't know what it is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. That's all I got to say. It kind of matches this. So whatever you would call that, it sort of kind of matches that. And then this, oh, that's so pretty. It's like the countries. It's like a map of the countries. I wonder if without this you can see. I'll open it. No big deal. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so that's that. And then we, of course, have the bows. Wouldn't be Simply Gilded without the bows. And more bows. I love I think this, I have to say that right now, this might be one of my favorite washi sets. Like I said, I'm not a big washi person. I do use it, but not an overabundance of use. And I really think that these colors are magnificent. They are really pretty. They are really pretty. So, there you have it. The Simply Gilded subscription box for April. And I am in love, and I am happy that it finally came because I was seeing everybody else's and I'm like, I am so upset I didn't get mine yet. It didn't even ship. I didn't even care that it didn't get to me. I was so upset that it didn't ship. But nonetheless, here it is, and I am loving it. I am loving the mystery gift. Thank you, Simply Gilded, for this mystery gift this month. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I hope to get to use it really soon. Again, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below so I can be in touch with you, and subscribe to my channel so you can come back and see me again. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Hope you have a great day. Bye.